Hello guys, this is Blake, and I've just received a parcel from madabouthorror. Now I took the label off so that way I just don't want the address to be shown due to privacy reasons. So without being said, I'm gonna do the unboxing video. So let's get started. Also, I did a unboxing video before, but the address was visibly shown, so I had to delete it off my YouTube channel. So yeah, so that's crazy. So just using a pair of scissors to cut off the tape. So can't wait to see what it is. Big box. Oh, one of these cards. A limited edition of 1,000 art cards designed for madabouthorror by artist Sam Hain 1992. That's awesome. And that's the little girl from Terrifier 2 movie. That is really sick. So keep that to the side. I believe I do have a Terrifier Art the Clown card. I may have to have a look in my room. It's somewhere. So yeah. And holy moly. Check this out. Wow. So here it is. The official Ghostface 25th anniversary mask. This one looks sick. So realistic. It's very much like the one from the Scream 2022 movie. So I can't wait to try this baby out. And got another mask as well. Oh, nice. The Vernon clown mask. Oh, this one. This looks so sick. Look at that. Let me take this bit off. Look at that. Now this looks sick. Definitely worth to do the clown cosplay with this badass mask. So yeah. Alright. Well, those are my two masks from madabouthorror. So without being said, thank you guys for watching this. There will be another mask that I'm set to be getting, and you will see which one I will be getting. So not only that, a costume is set to be coming very soon, which I will plan to order this month from madabouthorror. So if anyone has not checked that website out, check it out. I highly recommend it because that website is awesome, and madabouthorror sells awesome stuff on there. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.